Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're here at the Gabriella. It's at the Gabriella in Dallas, Texas. And we're looking at this beautiful one bedroom. We've already seen the living room and kitchen in the previous video. And now we're gonna go in and see the bedroom. So the bedroom is here, it's really pretty. Looks adorable, looks super, super pretty. It's got, you can see it's got views of the balcony, so I love that. And then the bedroom here is cute. I'd say it's kind of a medium size. It's not super huge. So I would put maybe a queen bed in here in this particular apartment. And then let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty cool too. Look at that floor. I love that tiling. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. This has dual sinks as well. It's really, really pretty. And then here's the shower. It's got not only the tub, but it's got a full stand-up shower too. Super, super cool. Hey, here is what the closet. The closet is massive. It's a really, really big walk-in. It does have a stand-up stackable washer dryer already included. That's really nice. So really cool features. Everything's included. You just move in and that's all you need. Hey, that's what it looks like here at this one bedroom at the Gabriella. If you have any questions or if you're ready to take a tour on a virtual tour, that's what I would do next. My number's below. Send me a text. Just say, hey, Grant, I want to do a virtual tour. It's free. It's a part of our free, 100% free service. So send me that text and just say hi using the number below.